much for a second time. And as y'all can tell by the title, this is going to be a video on my room tour. I've been waiting to do this room tour for about a month now. Yeah, this is one of my favorite videos watching when I was in high school getting ready to go to college, or even if you're not in high school or you're just sitting a semester out, or you just want ideas for your room. I am a junior at Clayton State University. My major is dental hygiene. And what else? Oh, I stay in the Laker Village. I don't even know if I should take out a building for it. I don't really think it matters because all the buildings finna get those out of bed. So yeah, let's get into the room tour. So when you walk in, this is the little foyer part. That's room B. I am room A. This is our front room. Nothing to it. Kitchen. Nothing to it. And it comes with a washer and a dryer. This is the entrance. Okay, so I had to switch over the voice to the voiceover, but yes, this is the walk entrance to my room. All right, so starting off with the bed, sheets are from Walmart. Pillows, those gold ones are from TJ Maxx. The pink ones are from Ross. And that black one that says Hello Gorgeous is from Dee Dee's Discount. The white comforter is from Sam's. Pictures are from Hobby Lobby. Those two circle ones are from Burlington's. And that gray one laying across it is another comforter, and that is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, so the curtains are from Walmart. Kids curtains, y'all, way cheaper. Then this chair is from Bath Beyond, y'all know what I mean. Then the pillows, don't know. This picture, Hobby Lobby as well. Hobby Lobby be having all the pictures, y'all, for real. So serious. Ring light, Amazon. Then, yes, Pete the Coach purse. Another picture from Hobby Lobby as well. This is my desk area. Yes, y'all. Real organized. I did that last night, matter of fact. But yeah, this is where I have all my hair stuff at, y'all. But computer, Dell, some organization that I got from the at-home store, mini fridge, and some snacks on top. And this is my TV. And my Bible. This is the rug that I got from Ross. Okay, in my bathroom. Yeah, this is just the overview of the bathroom. Rug, Ross. Trash can, Walmart. Everybody got that trash can. Curtain is from Ross. Y'all got it when I got the gray rug. I'm finna like zoom in on it in a moment. It's real pretty. It's the details for me. Plant, Dollar General. Do not sleep on it. Hobby Lobby for the pictures once again. Hobby Lobby. Like Hobby Lobby, y'all, for real. Ooh, y'all, not me. Ooh, Jesus. Auntie. Yes, so this is the bathroom. Laker Village comes with bathroom. It's like a suite, basically. So this is the overview of my room. Yes. Y'all, so that was the end of my room tour video. I hope you guys did enjoy my room. Y'all, just comment below, let me know if y'all want to see anything else, if y'all want to ask me some questions about Clayton's stay in particular, even though I'm not that involved. But if you have any general questions, such as, like, I don't know, any general questions, don't ask me nothing about that. However, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for the notification to know when I post another video. Bye, y'all.